Hello everyone, I wanted to show you my new office. Now, I had it in my head what I wanted to do, and I started searching through Pinterest and found some ideas, and I downloaded it to my phone, and then I started working on it. Now, I am a certified energy healer, nutritionist, vaccine educator, and I needed an office to do my energy healing. So I have a massage table here, or it's not for massage, it's for energy healing. And I had that shelf, but I want to show you how I put everything together here. I made that desk and I made the shelving up there all from scratch, and I'm going to tell you the details in a minute. But this is my office for now. What I put together is books from school and whatnot. Now, this desk is a pipe leg desk. Now, I had no idea what I was going to do. I downloaded as many things as I could find with measurements and whatnot. Then I went off to Home Depot and I found these legs here and all these connections, but it was like very expensive. It had these little round pieces here on the very bottom right there. Those are like 5 something a piece. These were like 2 something, whatnot. So I bought a bunch of this stuff and I bought the wood. And the wood, as you can see, I had a hard time finding anything that was level, so I decided to put acrylic over the top, acrylic epoxy, but I'll tell you about that in a minute. So now with this stuff, I ended up putting together, these pipes are, I think, 18 inches long. That's the longest that they carried at Home Depot where I was at. Then I had a T-junction, and then this is like 6-inch right here. And then that are the bottom plates. Now, I ended up taking the ones from Home Depot back. They were 5 something a piece for those little things right there. And I found them on Amazon for a box of 10 or 12 for like $1.28 a piece, something like that. So I ended up getting a bunch of this stuff. I ended up getting these little pieces here and those at Amazon for a fraction of the cost. And then I ended up putting it together. So what I did was I found some boards at Home Depot that were they were in 5-foot sections, I think it was. So this is a 4 foot across and 5 feet long, and I ended up cutting down that one. I took a foot off of it, and I wanted it to rest on a filing cabinet. So that's what that is. It's attached. And then what I did, but I wish I would have thought about beforehand, was see that wood piece there? Those are braces. Let me show you braces that I used. You can see that, how I had to attach them. I attached all those to keep the boards together. And I wish I would have shortened them up so you don't see them from here. And then putting all this together, there was kind of some tricks to do that too. I ended up, put your middle piece together first and then put your side pieces on. Otherwise, you're spinning this around and kind of a pain in the butt. But once you get your legs put together, and then your boards, you want to put your boards together and brace them with these trims here and screws, and make sure your screws don't pop out. Mine did a couple little places here, they popped out a little bit. But I ended up getting epoxy off of Amazon and ran it over the top, and I need to probably add another layer because it didn't quite, like that piece right there didn't quite shine up, but it works. Hey, it's for never doing anything like this before, I think I did a darn good job. And then I had a vision in my head exactly what I wanted, and I just started doing it. So, and then I had these shelves that I wanted to put together. This was quite the bitch to put together, excuse my French, but I put them together. I bought all of these pieces off of Amazon. This is how they look. Now, that's a little elbow, a 1-inch pipes on the side there. Those are 3 different pieces plus these part here. That's actually just 5 different pieces. So that's how I put it together. But you have to remember, when you're putting this together, you need a board up against the wall or something whenever you're doing it outside. I had to put a board up against it to know exactly where to anchor them. And then I had to measure them from the sides to get them even. And then whenever I brought them in here, oh man, I was alone. It's like, so yeah, that was quite the challenge. You need a level, and you need level boards. See, that one is not, it's a little bit warped right there in the end, but unless you point it out like I just did. You may not notice it. But when you go to the store, make sure you lay your boards down flat and try to pick out the ones that are the flattest. And then this one here, this one I had measured them out flat, but they quite didn't line up. And I was going to attach them with some metal brackets on the bottom, but I said, what the hey, just in case I need to move them, I just left it as it is. It's fine. So, but, you know, it works. And I have an office now. So now I'm just going to fill up my shelves. I've got some products. I am putting together some tinctures and stuff, herbal tinctures, but I was able to put my Oath of Healer oath up here in a frame, and my certified nutritionist up here in a frame. And then I had some succulents that I put together. Those are faux succulents from Hobby Lobby. And my selenite crystal wand, my energy medicine, my pendulum, and all my books, school books. And I have a little stool for people to sit on. And then I have some sage and some signs. And I also have a black welcome sign that's going to go up here. I got to spray paint it. And I'll put some other stuff up there. But it's coming together quite nicely. And I just got me a schedule book today. So I'm going to run some specials for the month of June and July, maybe until I get some clients built up for doing energy healing, Reiki. So if you live in the Phoenix area or Surprise, Arizona, give me a call or look me up or leave me a message. So anyways, guys, it took me some time to do this, but it was well worth it. It's kind of fun to say, hey, look at this. I built my office. And I also, that shelving unit was actually kind of a reddish color, and I stained it. I lightly sanded it down and stained it a dark brown, so it all kind of matched. So it is what it is, and I love my new office. So like and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm trying to get some new videos together, but I'm having some technical difficulties with my new program I just bought. So I'll keep trying. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.